Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all my reviews and thoughts about lip tinted hue sticks. During Thanksgiving deals, I have placed an order and I bought two hue sticks and one lip balm. Hue sticks are nothing but those are a universal stick where you can apply it on your eyes, cheeks and lips. So I have two shades, so I'll be sharing with you all how they look on my skin tone and also my thoughts and reviews about it. If you are really interested to know about it, please keep on watching. I received all the products in this nice rose gold packaging. I really like this rose gold, and it has a bubble wrap inside, so I can reuse this or store anything, so I'm not discarding it. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It is a white cardboard and it is written as lip tinted with the rose gold, and it has black print on it as well. Lip tinted is clean, vegan, cruelty free and fragrance free product, so you will not have any skin issues when you use them. First, we'll talk about the Unity Balm Gloss. It has the same packaging, but it has written some benefits and directions to apply. So let me go through it. So they say it is a multi-purpose skin savior with the conditioning of a balm plus shine of a gloss packed with hyaluronic acid, squalane, and vitamin C and E. Directions to apply: apply anywhere that craves moisture, from lips to face to cuticles. So you can apply it wherever you want, where you need a lot of moisture. Okay, so this is how the balm packaging looks like. So it has a rose gold base and the lid is of white, and this is of 15 ml or 0.5 fl, and the expiry date is of 12 months. So I will quickly open it. So this is how the balm looks like. It is of no color, and this is how the consistency is. Let me quickly apply it on my lips and then I'll show you. It's a clear balm. As you can see, it has no color. It is very clear and it gives you a nice glossy finish. And I have some product left over it and I am blending it on my palm. You just need a tiny bit on your lips, so it moisturizes my skin well. Okay, it really moisturizes well. So let me give you a small story. Like when I have received this and I have opened it, it has a seal to it, so I broke the seal. So what happened is a lot of product has came out. Maybe the pressure was more, I'm not sure. So what I did is, because I got a lot of product out and not much I could put it back, so I applied it all over my toes, and it was really feeling good, and it moisturized well. It just felt like Aquaphor, so that is the main one of the product where I lost a lot of product, so that's why my tube is more empty here. And the other day what happened is my kids were playing with it and they gave a lot of pressure, so when I opened this, a lot of product has come out. But yeah, I used it as a moisturizer on my cracked heels and feet, so I utilized it in that way. But coming to the main thing, how it works, it really moisturizes your lips, and it feels good. And also, as they told, you can apply it anywhere else where you need moisture, so that really helps. They said that you can apply it on your lips to face to cuticles, but yeah, I applied it in many parts of my body, but it really moisturized well. So the lip balm is hit, but just the packaging, I have to still be very careful with it around kids. So that is about the Unity Gloss Balm. Hue sticks can be applied on your lip, cheek and eyes, and it is of 3 grams or 0.1 ounce, and it is written as lip tinted, leave your hues. I really like this quote. And coming to the expiry date, they have written as 12 months. One side it has all the name details, the other side it has about directions how to apply and the benefits. um, and the other side it has all the ingredient details and the distribution details, and then on the other side it has their hashtag join the movement hash live tinted. um, so it's a very nice cute packaging. And on the other sides, this side it has some barcode, and the other side it has the color details. This is how my one of my color looks like, and its name is Free. Okay, coming to the benefits, it is clean, vegan, cruelty free, non comedogenic, and packed with hyaluronic acids, squalene, vitamin C, and vitamin E. So this is how the Hue Stick looks like. It is of a rose gold, and it has a white print on it saying tinted. And behind you will have the color details, and it says lip, eye, cheek Hue Stick Free, and it says of 3 grams and 0.1 ounce. It has all details about the Hue Stick behind, and the color looks exactly like this label. This is how we can open it. So once we open it, this is how the shade looks like. It's a nice dark berry or purple shade. So at the bottom of the packaging you have this twistable so that the product comes up. So let me show you how much product is inside. This twistable is really good, it doesn't stuck anywhere. So yeah, this is how the entire product. And then I'll show you, I'll twist it back and I'll show you how smooth the twist is. So this is how this shade looks like, Free. And also they have written directions how to apply. Swipe on lips, cheeks and eyes for buildable, blendable, weightless, matte color. Now I'll quickly apply it all over my lips and I'll show you how it looks. So I have applied this Hue Stick on the Unity lip balm. So this, it gives you a nice glossy finish to it. But how I like to apply is I will remove the lip balm and then I like to apply this Hue Stick. That is how the finish I like. It gives you a nice matte finish but without drying your lips. So let me remove the excess with the help of the tissue paper and I'll show you how it looks. This is how the shade looks like without any lip balm. I really like this bright shade. It really gives you a pop of color. Yeah, it really suited Indian dark skin. I come under olive skin tone, I guess so. So yeah, this is how it looks. Now we'll move on to the next shade. The next shade is Hue Stick Found. So behind the packaging, this is how it looks. This is how the shade Found looks like. I expected it to be more brown, but this is how it turned out. It's a nice deep terracotta color. So I'll quickly apply it on my lips and I'll show you. And it really suits my skin tone as well, and this is the swatch of it. So this is how this Hue Stick looks on my lips, and also I have tried to apply the shade Free on my cheeks and eyelids as well. It really blends well, and since I have this found, let me show you how it blends nicely. Okay, you just need very little product on your lips, and you just need to blend it very tiny bit, and yeah, see, it gives you a nice flush of color. um, since here I have little more product, like I just take a tiny bit, and with the help of these two fingers, and I apply it nicely on my cheeks, and with the help of this finger I apply on my eyelid. It really blends well, and it gives you a natural finish. Very friendly to use, because a little product goes a long way on your eyelids and your cheeks, and coming to your lips, it is a buildable. If you want very light coverage, you can take very less product and nicely swipe it with your fingers, and it gives you a nice flush of color. These hue sticks are really good, and it has nice skincare properties to them as well, so your lips or your skin is hydrated at the same point. So overall, these hue sticks and these lip balm are really well made. They just stand to what they say, and they look nice on any skin type. And they have a good skincare properties to it as well. So if you really want to try, you can go ahead and try. From my side, these get 10 on 9. Just that the packaging of this gloss balm, I maybe I haven't used it how I have to use it, so just for that I'm giving 9 for 10. Other than that, everything is really good. So as you can see, I really liked these products, the hue sticks and the lip balm. Lip balm, I'm not sure with the packaging. I have to be very careful with kids around, and yeah, but it really hydrates and gives a good moisture to your dry areas. And coming to these hue sticks, I really like this because these are multi-purpose sticks, and when you are traveling, or when you are just going to school, college, or work, with one product you can achieve your full face and still look at basic, and also you can build it up to the look you want. So yeah, these are really good products and have a good skincare properties as well. So yeah, that comes to an end of this video, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you do, so please hit on the like button and also subscribe back to my channel. I'll soon catch you guys in my next video. Until then, be positive and stay happy. Bye.